Hey guys, welcome back. We got another fun one for you here. We got just something that I really enjoy doing, and this is kind of an app that I watch a lot. If you're into deals like I am, Groupon and Gilt and Touch of Modern, this one's Brad's Deals. Actually, this one's kind of one of those goofy kind of ones you might think it's kind of like a Craigslist at first, but what this is, like I said, it's Brad's Deals. What it is, it's a user generated kind of. It's obviously user generated. You can tell. Let's call this first one is posted by Jillian an hour ago. You got a couple. Yeah, it's constantly generated by its users. They kind of when they catch a deal online, they throw it out there. You know, if you were one, you know, you like those pair of shoes, and you're looking at it. Of course, they're at a Dick's Sporting Goods. You could go ahead and click that link. It takes you right to the actual shoe. See if your size is there, if the colors are there. It's a great app. I've unfortunately been sucker to quite a few of these deals where I fall into it, of course. But these are $40 pair of shoes. They're originally 60. Again, like I said, it's reputable sites. Sometimes there's some of the deal of the day sites and stuff like that. But outside of that, it's compact refrigerator, of course, through a website called Electronic Express, of course. Just kind of one of those things you just kind of slide through, see what looks good, see what might tickle your fancy. One of these things, if you've seen one of my videos, I've got one of these. I really enjoy these lights. These are awesome lights. It's of course from a site called Daily Sale. Not saying I would or wouldn't do anything, but that's a pretty good deal. Go ahead and just click the link right to it. You wanted to see what they got. Sometimes there's promo codes. You can get these things even cheaper. But look, you got a great little deal there, right? They're ready to go. We're just gonna hit done. It throws you back into the Brad's Deal app. You keep hitting back. A lot of times these are big. These are really reported by users. Best Buy is always on here, or Walmart's on here. Anytime these guys have really cool sales on good and quality products, a lot of times Lowe's, you'll catch them. Here's a Home Depot refrigerator. A lot of people, like I said, it's user generated based on whether it be not local ads, but internet ads, deal of days. So instead of, if you're kind of like me and you do look into these deal of day websites, instead of going to Lowe's and seeing what their deal of day is, or Home Depot, or they even feature Groupon on this, and it's a great app. It's kind of a one-stop shop for it all. You can see what's going on. Sometimes it's a lot to go through. Of course, we're just using the newest one. We can sort that by the most popular. Go ahead and refresh that, see what we got going on. And like I said, you just kind of keep going on, and over as the day progresses, you kind of see what people are doing, doing all the work for you. So of course, we got guides down here at the bottom. If you're certain, in back to school or patio stuff, it kind of give you a category you're looking for. Of course, they've actually got the categories button right down here. Men, women, shoes, electronics, all kinds of stuff. So, you can come over to, you could save your deals, throw it in the save spot, go ahead and hit more. Like I said, I don't know, they got coupons, all kinds of stuff. I don't know. Never really dealt a whole lot with their coupons, but Overstack, instead of signing up and getting blistered with all their emails all the time, 10% off your first order, boom, you redeem coupon right there. You can come up here if sometimes if you saw when you do sign up, it'll show you these links in the email. So if there you see a pair of say you saw those Nike shoes that that were at Dick's Sporting Goods, and you couldn't find it because you didn't want to scroll through all that, so we just kind of searched Nike, and there it is. There's one of the pairs at least. But yeah, you can see all the shoes that are for sale, like Nike, or if you saw something NCAA related. A lot of people do that. But yeah, you just got all kinds of search ways up there. They got stores. If you'd rather only kind of search stores you trust and believe in, rather than going to some of these weird offsite ones. But nonetheless, like I said, I've been sucker to this app quite a bit. I like it because it's user based. People put on here what they really enjoy and what they like and what they find a nice deal on, and save you all the hassle. It makes you help catch deals that you may not have seen on other websites. So this is a great little app to have. I really enjoy it. Like I said, unfortunately, I've been suckered to it a few too many times, but nonetheless, that's it. And hope you guys enjoyed that one. It's been another fun video for me, and I hope you guys like that, and hope you guys don't spend too much money, and don't get me in trouble for that with your wives or your husbands. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. As always, feel free to like, subscribe, comment to us. Let me know if you love or hate these. This is just a cool little app that I've started to learn, and like I said, it just kind of shows you other apps that I can portray those apps to you guys and see if you guys like them. And so if you do, feel free to let me know, and we'll keep it going. Or you got any other apps that you want to look into, I'll download, and we'll kind of go through those videos as well. But anyway, this is more just things that I really enjoy, and I hope that it comes off to you guys and you guys like them as well. So as always, thanks for tuning in, and can't wait to see you guys again. Thanks a lot. See you guys.